Ready to score big this Black Friday? Check out these top drones for photos and videos at awesome prices. The top drones out there are the pricier ones, but there's a solid lineup of budget-friendly beginner drones that offer essential camera and flight features at a fraction of the cost. The Holy Stone HS720G is a great example. This drone comes with GPS positioning and a few impressive flight modes, features that are typically found on more advanced models. You'll get options like point of interest, orbit, follow me, and tap fly for pre-planned routes. The point of interest, orbit mode is a personal favorite. It automatically adjusts the drone's altitude and distance from your chosen subject. This keeps your shots smooth and clear without any jerky movements. If you're new to drones and want an affordable model that still shoots basic 4K video, the Holy Stone HS720G is a reasonable choice. After checking out both expert and user reviews, I can say the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo is pretty versatile. It's great for FPV-style filming, but it can also capture traditional drone shots with a steady horizon. And honestly, it does both pretty well. The image quality isn't quite up there with the DJI Air 2S or Mavic 3, but it's still good enough for nice cinematic shots without needing an extra camera. One of my favorite uses for drones is exploring hard-to-reach places. I look up cool spots on Google Maps and fly out to check them out. What's great about the Avata is that if it bumps into something like a tree trunk or thick branch, it often just bounces off and keeps going. Photographers who want to capture more detail in both the bright and dark parts of their shots know how important dynamic range is. It's basically the difference between the lightest and darkest areas of an image. Even the best digital cameras capture only about half of what our eyes can see. That's why I'm a fan of the DJI Mavic 3. It has a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with a 12.8 stop dynamic range, which helps retain more detail in both highlights and shadows. The DJI Mavic 3 has a quadcopter setup, making it perfect for steady shots. Furthermore, it offers 46 minutes of flight time, because creating a great photo is all about patience and effort. If you want to avoid DJI or are into a 6K camera, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is definitely worth checking out. It's super easy to fly, offers a 6K camera, and gives you up to 40 minutes of flight time. Plus, unlike DJI drones, there are no major security issues with this one. The video quality might not be as sharp or vibrant, though. A lot of people say Autel drones are just as easy to fly as DJI ones. The Autel Sky app is pretty good too, offering a range of autonomous flight modes. And it's available on both the Apple and Google App Stores, something DJI can't say about its Fly app. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.